I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix keyboard lag on your iPhone or iPad. The most common cause for a lagging keyboard is a corrupted learning dictionary. Over time, your device builds a custom cache of the words, slang, and names you type frequently. If this database becomes too large or cluttered, your keyboard will struggle to pull suggestions in real time. Let's walk through the steps to reset your keyboard dictionary. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app and then tap General. Step 2. Scroll to the bottom and then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone or iPad. Step 3. Tap Reset. Then select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Step 4. Enter your passcode to confirm. And to be clear, this won't delete your photos or apps, but it will clear out your custom autocorrect patterns, forcing the keyboard to start fresh and snappy again. Sometimes smart features are actually working too hard for your processor to keep up. Check on these by doing the following. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app. Tap General in this menu and then tap Keyboard. Step 2. Look for predictive text and autocorrection, and then try toggling these options off. If your keyboard speeds up immediately, one of these features was likely causing the processing delay. You can toggle them back on one by one to see which specific feature was slowing you down. Also, check for Show Math Results. If this is enabled, your iPhone is constantly calculating math in the background while you type, which can steal resources from older or busier devices. If you use a third-party keyboard like Gboard or SwiftKey, it may be the source of your performance issues. These apps often operate with different permissions and memory usage than Apple's native keyboard. Let's walk through the steps to remove a third-party keyboard. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app. Tap General in this menu and then tap Keyboard. Step 2. Tap Keyboards at the top. Step 3. Tap Edit and delete any third-party keyboards you have installed. Step 4. Restart your device. If the lag disappears, you know that the third-party keyboard was the bottleneck. If you're still seeing lag, we need to flush the system cache. A simple restart isn't enough. We need to perform a force restart to clear the temporary memory that holds on to active processes. Step 1. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Step 2. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Step 3. Press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Then release. This forces the operating system to dump its current cache and reload, which often resolves ghost slowdowns caused by background processes that refuse to close. And finally, a quick tip. A full iPhone or iPad is a slow iPhone or iPad. If your device has less than 2 to 3 gigabytes of free storage, iOS will struggle to allocate the scratch space needed to keep the keyboard running smoothly. Go to Settings, General, and then iPhone Storage. If you're near capacity, delete a few old videos or offload apps you aren't using. You'll be surprised at how much faster your keyboard and your entire device feels once it has some breathing room. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.